Hello, this is P10. Today we are doing a tutorial on how to make a video while making a video. Like, I have a video that's ready to be made, so I'm going to be showing how to actually make it. Okay, so first, you'll have to, in Photos, you'll click Video Editor, it'll be like up here or something, and then below there'll be a video or a thing that says Create Video. Click that, you'll be brought to here. It will also tell you what do you want your name to be called. Subscribe, please. And you can name it. This is Minecraft Music. And then you click Add from this PC. Okay, so now you go to Add, and there will be from this PC, from my collection. You could click any of these, wherever it is. Usually it's from my PC. You click it, find the folder that's in. This is a music video, so here's my music. You can, like, make it lag a lot. But, if you want it to be longer, you could just have it, like, be, I don't know, this long. That's 23 hours. Okay, so then we can add a custom audio. This is for my music video. Okay, so now I've gone the folder that has it, and, you can go to sounds, make fade out, or change the volume. I usually like it being pretty quiet. Now, I made this way too long, but I'm going to see how long it is so I could change it to the time. Okay, so now I have gone the audio to be the right size. Just so you know, when you have it, you do have to put in just seconds or else it won't work. Okay, next part. Okay, now this part's going to be 3D effects, and, well, it's right here. You can, you have to let it load. My computer's laggy, so you could have, like, frost to the whole video. Not the whole video, but did I exit out? Just a second. Okay, so you can add effects. First up, this music is called Rush, by the way. Probably be in the description, because I'm making this video first and then the second video. But if you want, like, a magical spark in the middle, it'll just do this. And it'll be really loud, because this thing likes doing that. And then you can make it, like, ting off of it or something, I don't know. Probably would like it to be a little bit better placed. But if we just go here, where is it? Right here. And then you just unpause it. And then, yeah, it'll just appear there. Now I'm going to add a few more. Okay, so now I've added them all, they're all in. And for this one, this video, I guess I'll make it move just to show you. It will be here. Watch. Look at how close it is. I do need to fix this. It's a little bit blurry. But then look at the end. It slowly zooms in. Nice little touch. And, filters. I guess I could add a filter. But you can just add, like, make it look different. I honestly like original. Actually, classic would look good for this one. Then you can add text like, my thing usually breaks, so. Okay, so sup at the end, because that's fun. And then you can add a duration, title card, which you can also do backgrounds and stuff. Now for more of an actual video, you can split it. That's going to be in part 2, so make sure to like and watch out for that video. Have a good day.